Hi, Macaroons!
Hey, Macaroons!
Happy National Cat Day!
That's right, and guess what?
Kittens!
We actually caught the kittens that were outside on our porch yesterday, and we're rolling some of that footage. Macaroons, it took Daddy 3 hours. What was it, 3 hours, honey? Outside in chilly weather, but this is what happened.
Hi!
I don't know if we can see you. Hi, Pumpkin.
Can I pet it? They're so cute.
Yeah.
Oh, now Rosie's into her eyes.
Now Rosie realizes that there's some kittens in the house. So we're going to be taking these babies to the vet. No, we're going to be taking the babies to the vet and make sure that they are all okay, and we're going to do the right thing by them.
And after that,
Rosie wants to give them kisses.
Can we keep them?
I'm not sure how Garu's going to feel about kittens. Hi! So these are 2 kittens, thank you. One is a calico, which is the spotted, and then the other is the orange kitty. They must have been out for a long time because they're super hungry and super tired when we brought them in. And tomorrow we will be visiting the vet to make sure all is well, and we will be keeping them. So, the calico cat, which is the spotted cat, that is Vidya's kitty.
What?
Right?
This is the brown one? I want to put this on. Can I put this on?
No, we're not putting that on yet. After we come home from the doctor's office, we'll be putting that on. What's your kitty's name?
Gaby.
And what is your kitty's name?
Let's say Frappaccino.
Frappaccino, and your cat is the orange cat.
It looks like
what's the collar? Let's see your collar.
my color's on there so I don't lose it. It's the same thing. It has 2 bells to keep them distracted so they
And
can
for us to
follow
also
us.
tell where they are in the house. So are you excited?
Yeah.
Name is Gaby. Hi, Gaby. Hi. And the orange kitty in the back, who is awfully tired, her name is
Frappaccino.
Frappaccino. Now we'll find out and confirm the genders tomorrow, but I think those are pretty awesome names. So now we've got 4 pets. We've got Garoud, we've got Rosie, and now we've got Frappaccino and Gaby. Well, happy National Cat Day. Make sure you love your kitties. Give them kissies. And
We actually did that.
yes, you did. And we'll be able to take them out and have them move around a little bit more tomorrow after we come home from the vet. So here's that update. We found the kitties. Now we apparently have kitties. What do we want to tell our macaroons?
Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And check us out on Instagram, Facebook.